Greg, you're taking all the food.
Start the next batch.
Look at your stomach showing on the camera. Hello guys, hello. Welcome back to the Seibels TV. How y'all doing? Hope you're doing good. So today I'm about to show you how to prepare shrimp fried rice. You know, it's a beautiful day. You can see the sun is shining through. I'm standing right here at the kitchen, and yes, so I'm about to show you today to prepare a very delicious and healthy shrimp fried rice. So yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so. Subscription button, I think it's at the right side of the screen, if I'm not mistaken. Subscribe to the channel and then join the family, the Seibels TV. We do it all. We do cooking, vlogging, beauty, anything you can think of. Turn on your post notification, nothing that looks like a bell, so you'll be the first person to get notified every time we should post videos out there. So yes, without wasting my time, let's go right ahead with it. Let me go show you how to prepare this delicious and amazing shrimp fried rice. Yay! Let's go. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients I'm gonna use. Over here I have my rice. As you can see, this is already cooked. Okay guys, you need to, of course you need to cook your rice. So you cook your rice, don't put too much water in the rice or it's gonna be watery, like because you just want it, that's how you want it. You don't want it too watery and stuff like that. So the rice is already cooked. This is it right here, and over here I have my oil. I'm gonna use the, put this somewhere. I'm using the olive oil, so I just poured a little bit in this one here, this container there, and I'm gonna be using black pepper. I'm gonna be using Adabar. You can get this from Walmart, from Sam's Club, you can get it from anywhere. And over here I have my mixed veggies. So in here you have green peas, you have carrot, you have sweet corn, you have you have all these veggies here. So yeah, these are the veggies. Okay guys, and over here I have my shrimp. So this is it right here, shrimp, eggs. Okay. And over here I have onions. I just chopped these onions. So these are chopped onions. I have here just chopped this garlic. So you can get the ones that are already chopped, but I prefer to get it fresh and then chop it myself. So yeah, over here to have a chopped ginger. I don't know if this camera is it focusing. Can you guys see? Alright, so this is ginger that I've chopped it into smaller bits. So yeah, that's ginger. Right. Chopped garlic, chopped onions. So yes, these are the ingredients, you guys. Okay, let's go right ahead with it. Let's get started. Okay, I have my saucepan here. It's already washed. You can see there's a little bit of water in there. Let me just light it. Alright. So just let the water in there dry. Just let it dry. I'll put my oil in here, right guys? Hey guys, as you can see, the pan is so dried and all that. So what we're gonna do, we have our oil. I love using olive oil, but use any kind of oil that you have, It's just because I just think that sometimes we use the extra virgin olive oil, or you can use this one. So this is what I have here today, so that's why I'm using that. You can use anyone that you have. So we have our oil in here. We have to make sure that it's really hot. Then we will just go ahead and then put our ginger and then our onion and stuff like that. Okay guys, so we're gonna put our onion, and then we put our garlic, okay. And here we have ginger. I'm about to put. Alright. And just stir it like that. Okay guys, so in here we have garlic, onion, and then what? Chopped ginger. So the next, ooh, this one breaks me. Cut it ready. Alright guys, so the heat went straight on over here, so it was really just cutting it. So big. Yeah. So over here we're gonna add our shrimp. Okay. The next thing is we're gonna add a little bit of say edible or what? All-purpose seasoning. We add a little bit of black pepper. Okay. Okay guys, the next thing that we add in here is eggs. All right. All right guys, so you just keep on stirring it like that, you know, until the eggs actually work. It becomes like a scrambled egg. Okay, so yeah, you do it like that. The next thing that we're gonna do, we have our veggies, very healthy. All right guys, so we're gonna put I'm actually dividing this. Everything is not gonna fit in one bowl, so I'll go the second one. Okay guys, so the next step is we're gonna add our rice. Okay guys, so the next step is we're gonna use this one right here. Sodium. Alright.
Kikome soy sauce.
Okay. Put the soy sauce in there. And then just keep stirring it. Alright, this smells good, you guys. We wish you were here to, you know, to join us, but maybe we can pass some to there over there in the corner, right, babe?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it right now.
This is healthy. This is delicious, you guys. I need to try some at home.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, this is Greg's favorite, and Callista's too, right, babe?
Yeah, we won't tell him about it. We'll hide it from him.
Yeah. Hey guys, this is neat. Look at that. Very awesome.
Healthy, cost effective, and incredibly good tasting.
Yeah. Are you showing your face today, babe?
Nope.
Why?
Because no shower, slept in late. You're the one. Yeah. That's your face today.
You guys are gonna see my face. Callista's is watching his cartoons.
This is fast too.
Yeah, man. The reason why, if you get the frozen, wait, let me talk to them. If you get the frozen veggies, okay, it's faster. It's easier. I used to cut them myself. You know, I get carrot, I get that, and then, but you know, it takes time. But if you use the frozen ones, there you go.
You get to eat it quicker.
Yep. So this is our fried rice, you guys. It's all set. We're gonna go ahead with the next part, but yeah, this is it right here. You guys, so this is shrimp, egg, fried rice. Greg, what are you doing?
Cut it. It's ready to get demolished.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. Greg, you're taking all the food.
Start the next batch.
Look at your stomach showing on the camera. Oh no, you guys. Greg took it all. Okay guys, so you guys saw Greg came for the first batch. He took a decent amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys second batch. Babe, yeah, Greg took a lot of the first batch, right babe? He doesn't want to show his face. He's not wearing any shirt. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the second batch.
I added one more.
He's gonna add his red.
That way, Calista just can't take mine. It's
oh
too
my
hot.
gosh! You know, he's just hiding so that Calista can eat his. So yes, let's go right ahead with the second batch, you guys. If you didn't watch the first one, this is the second one for you. Right, babe?
That's right.
Okay guys, I forgot to add eggs to the second batch. So you see this side here, I'm gonna just do it right here. So just put a little bit of oil and that's our egg. Okay, yeah, you just let the egg cook on the side, then we mix it together. All right, you guys, Greg is taking all this food. What are you doing? Oh man. You guys, look at him. Babe,
Cut it.
no, I'm not gonna cut it.
You don't
He's
have
taking all the food. He said cut it.
Bye guys.
You guys, see who's awake? Did he take a nap? Yes, he did. Alright, this is the fried rice, Calista. You guys, I'm gonna be sharing this with him. Yes, there you go. Oops, it dropped. There you go. Yes. He loves fried rice. Just like Greg. Just like his daddy, right, babe?
That's exactly right.
Okay guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. We're gonna see you on our next video, right babe?
Next video.
Subscribe, turn on your post notification, and so that you're gonna be the first person to get notified every time she posts videos out there. So yes, we're gonna see you. Bye bye. Greg and Calista are already gone. See you guys. Bye. Thank you.